The POC English Academy just got a huge upgrade. You've loved my courses before, but this is on a whole new level. I've completely redesigned the platform to make learning English easier, faster, and more effective. Apart from video lessons on grammar, vocabulary, and fluency, you will have the chance to practice your writing and speaking with real-time AI feedback. But apart from the AI features and video lessons, we will have live lessons together every week. That's right, once a week. But the best part? You can start exploring the new platform for free. Simply click on the link app.pocenglish.com, go to my website, register for free, start, watch the demo lesson, which is for free, and if you like the platform, you can unlock all other lessons for as little as £10 per month. Just go see it for yourself. Start for free